Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to your first drawing video of the book club, yay! So we are going to start quite simple and work our way up to some a little bit more detailed flowers. So we're going to follow the progression of the book, how the book is actually laid out. So our first drawing is to draw the trillium, and this is under what I would call the threeness section. Now I've also put in here, you'll find in the book there are some other examples of threeness on this page here when you've got another framework to practice with. So if you don't want to draw the trillium, or after the trillium you find you want to draw some more threeness flowers, then actually take a look at those and then have a little practice. And then you can also go onto the internet and find some other flowers that have 3 petals, let's say. So we're going to get started with the trillium. So this starts on page 48, and obviously in the book we've got the step-by-steps which go through just drawing this very simple trillium. And then we've got an area here where you can practice drawing, so I've included this in the PDF. I've also included the framework that's on the front of this page here, so you can download that and practice too. And then here where we do have the other 3s, there's another framework there, so you can do some other practicing. If you want to have a go at drawing a little kind of threeness mandala, you can go ahead and do that with that particular framework. So we're going to go through and draw that very simple trillium. The trillium flower is actually really lovely. I always include it in my prompts and some of my drawing exercises. I've actually created quite a few mandalas using the trillium. I think it's just such a beautiful and simple flower to draw. And even though it has 3 petals, it has like the 3 sepals as well. So it could be classed as you know, a 6-point kind of flower or a 6-point mandala. But obviously I put it in the threeness section because it has 3 main petals. And we're going to go ahead and draw that now. Okay, so you're ready? Let's dive in.